take off the air wheel covers. They're held in by a few clips, so just pull outwards on each section and it should come right out. And then just repeat for all 4 wheels. Next, you're going to want to either use a 13/16 hex socket or a 21mm socket on the lug nuts. I decide to use the former since there's a little less wiggle room. Loosen the lug nuts on all 4 wheels and then lift the car up so you can remove the wheels. Take note of the placement of the Tesla logo for when we apply the sticker later. Measuring from the top edge of the caliper surface, the logo sits right above the tape measure. The center of the T starts at 2.5 inches, while the end of the A stops at 5.5 inches. We clean the caliper using a brush with soapy water, brake cleaner, and finally isopropyl alcohol. Now that everything is masked off, we can let our can of Plastidip sit in some warm water for a few minutes so the spray comes out smoother. Start with a light coat and follow with heavier coats. If you continue to spray light coats, the Plastidip will have a rougher texture, whereas spraying heavy lets the Plastidip level out smooth. Here's how everything looks after all of our coats. We've removed some of the masking already, and we'll remove some more before the dip completely dries. That way, we reduce the risk of later peeling off sections that we do want. we are the next day. Everything should be dry and it's looking good. We're going to remask the caliper and apply the Tesla logo before we spray our final coats with clear. Final coats are going to be gloss clear Plastidip. These coats are supposed to add a more glossy finish while also keeping everything sealed and making it easier to clean. Put the wheels back on and press on the wheel cap kit.